Augmented Human C4621, Raven. The project is nearing fruition, thanks in no small part to your cooperation. During the battle for Institute City, several of the corporation's key pilots died in combat. We have manipulated the data to state that you too were killed in action. However, you will not be truly safe until you formally accept our protection. C4621, Raven. Return from Watchpoint Alpha Depth 2 and head for the rendezvous point. That is all. Once you reach the rendezvous point, no one will be able to threaten you anymore.
Main system, activating combat mode.
Let's go, Raven. The rendezvous point that all mine gave us at Depth 1. It's not far from the surface.
What are these things? I don't know how, but the Watchpoint's defenses are back online.
Corporate stragglers still remain within the Watchpoint. We have made some adjustments to ensure that they will not be a threat.
Watch out, sniper LCs.
Fire! If they're not retreat! Open the partition!
Don't!
Without their leadership, the corporations are powerless. A chain made of human links is easily broken.
AC, ID unknown. This is hell. We're in hell!
I'm picking up enemies behind you.
It's all going wrong, and that AC's to blame! I'm not gonna die like this.
AP at 30%.
I never should have come here.
Enemy signal silent. Let's keep moving.
They're just drones! Lock them down!
Wait, there's something else. AC!
Report to the nearest Vesper! Wait! We found a Phelan straggler! Damn you, Archibald!
Augmented Human C4621, Raven. You are close to the rendezvous point.
We've arrived at All Might's coordinates. Enemy detected. Above!
B3 Peter, taking command. Huh? You? My old colleague Raven, I presume. You killed B3. You killed O'King. Damn you. He always looked out for me.
2 repair kits remaining. AP at 50%.
Damn it. O'King. B3 Peter. It's right to it.
Destroyed. Looks like we're clear.
Augmented Human C4621, Raven. Well done. All Mind hereby guarantees your protection. Invoking All Mind Administrator access, erasing all records of the subject in custody. Augmented Human C4621, Raven. Your safety is now guaranteed.